Hey there, future low voltage professionals. I'm Joe Massa from the EPCOM technical team. And today, I'm going to guide you on obtaining your Texas low voltage certification. Whether you're aiming to work on alarm systems, video surveillance systems, or telecommunications networks, this video is for you. But how do you become licensed? Let's dive into the essential steps to kickstart your career. Your journey begins once you start working for one of your local security professionals. Next up, you'll dive into the real action with an apprenticeship. Think of it as learning by doing. You'll team up with seasoned professionals who will show you the ropes, from wiring up security systems to setting up smart home tech. It's all about getting your hands dirty, literally, and seeing how things work in the real world. Don't stop there. Grab every chance to work on different projects, maybe as a journeyman to round out your skills. This mix of learning on the job and tackling various tasks is your golden ticket to becoming an expert in the low voltage installation world. Next, study for your private security exam. Think of this as your final test, covering everything from installation to safety. Don't worry though, with your hands-on experience and some solid study sessions, you'll be ready. Reviewing your materials, keep a study schedule, and approach the exam with confidence. Passing this is just a win, it's your ticket to being a certified low voltage expert. It's time to apply for your license. Gather your documents, fill out your application, and submit to your state's licensing board. We'll start here at the Texas Online Private Security website. You'll need to select Start an Individual License. Then select Unarmed and then select Alarm System Installer. This is the same place for Access Control License, just choose Access Control. The next field is for your personal information. Make sure what you put in the fields matches your ID that you will have to provide. The next field is entering the company's business license. You must have this before you can proceed. Once you've completed the personal information tabs, you will need to discuss what your duties are within the company, i.e., install security systems, install camera systems, and then continuing filling in required information. You will have a chance to review your application and then confirm everything is correct. After you submit, you'll be able to come back to this website and check on the status of your application. You will be given a test date and a location about 3 weeks from your application being entered. Now, go take your test. Lastly, keep learning. Additional certifications can open up new doors and opportunities within the low voltage field. And there you have it. Remember, with dedication and the right training, the possibilities are endless. I'm Joe Massa, and on behalf of the EPCOM technical team, we're excited to see where your skills will take you. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights, and here's to your success in the low voltage industry. And remember, EPCOM is always here to help. We are your one-stop shop for all your integration needs.